Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a sign. Use 6 wood planks and 1 stick on a crafting table. Once made, equip the sign and right-click, or use the Place button on the target block to open the sign editor. You need to decide what to write on each of the 4 lines before exiting. Make sure you choose any die if you want colored text. This earliest step sets the message, orientation, and whether you'll attach the sign to a wall or place it as a post. Now you edit and format the sign. You type your message into the 4 available lines. Once done, the game stores exact line breaks, so plan text length and spacing. If you want colored letters, apply dye to the sign or use server plugins / commands that allow click or hover events. Those require operator permissions. Make sure to preview spacing so words don't overflow. If playing on certain editions, you can sneak place, hold Shift, to avoid the GUI when placing blank or repeated signs quickly. Finish by clicking Done to commit the sign. Once placed, step back and read it to confirm alignment and spelling. If you need to change text later, use in-game commands like /setblock with JSON text or an editing plugin on servers where you have permission. If text doesn't appear, make sure resource packs aren't hiding fonts, check that server plugins allow sign editing, and verify you used correct formatting codes. If nothing helps, remove and replace the sign to reset its data.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.